Good morning students, welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are going to learn about one type of sentence that is called exclamatory sentences. As earlier we have already learned about there are four main types of sentences. The four main types of sentences are assertive sentence, which is also called statement. The next is interrogative sentence, then exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence, right? So earlier we have learnt about assertive and interrogative sentence. We have learnt about how to convert a statement into a question, how to frame a question from a statement, right? So today's class we are going to learn about exclamatory sentences. So what are exclamatory sentences? Students, you have to show a certain emotion, such as strong emotion. How do you speak that sentence? Have to show a strong emotion, such as anger. Whenever we are very angry, we speak in a loud manner, isn't it? When we are sad, we speak in low voice. When we are very excited or very surprised, then also we shout out of joy. When you are very happy, also we shout. So these kind of sentences which reflect a strong, sudden emotion is called exclamatory sentences, right? So let us go with the definition of exclamatory sentences. So a sentence that expresses a strong emotion, such as anger. Anger means when you are very angry. Happiness, that means when you are very happy. Surprise, when you get a sudden surprise, or when you are very excited to get a gift from your mother, or when you go to a nice place and you see a beautiful scenery, you get very excited. So those kind of feelings. And sadness, say you did not succeed in something, or you failed in something, or you could not do anything, or something very bad happened in your family or in somebody's family, when you have to show grief. ठीक है, जब दुख को आपको दिखाना होगा, so that is called sadness. So all these strong emotions are expressed in certain sentences, and these sentences are called exclamatory sentence, right? Or you have to remember always that an exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, this is an exclamation mark, right? So when you are excited, you say wow. When you get a gift from your mother, how do you say? Thank you, mother, what a beautiful gift. So there is a certain tonal quality for that is called voice modulated manner, and it is shown by this exclamation mark. So examples I have: what a hot day, how clever you are, what a beautiful scenery it is, right? ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? So how do we make sure that this is imperative, or this is an assertive sentence, or this is an exclamatory sentence? Say if I write it is a hot day, this is a simple sentence, means this is a statement or assertive sentence. If the same sentence I write what a hot day it is, the same sentence becomes what? Right? The same sentence becomes exclamatory, right? So here we have the definitions of exclamatory sentence. After this video, I will send you the definitions of exclamatory sentence. So let's go to another topic, that is interjections, right? So children, our next topic is interjections. So what are interjections? So interjection is a word that is used to express a sudden or strong emotion. So just like exclamatory sentence, this also helps in expressing a sudden or strong emotion. यानी अगर आप बहुत excited हो और आप बहुत ही खुश हो या बहुत दुखी हो, तो आप किसी भी सेंटेंस के आगे, किसी भी assertive सेंटेंस या किसी भी स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस के आगे अगर आप इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ कर देते हैं, सिंपल वर्ड्स को यूज़ कर देते हैं, तो वो पूरा सेंटेंस एक्सक्लेमेटरी बन जाता है. जैसे ये सिर्फ एक वर्ड है और ये भी एक एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क से ही एंड होता है. पूरे सेंटेंस में लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस इन वर्ड के आगे आपको एक्सक्लेमेशन वर्ड लगाना है. जैसे ब्रावो, आउच, इप्पी, अलास. An interjection is a word used to express a sudden or strong emotion. An interjection is also used with an exclamation mark. So interjection सिर्फ word होता है, ना कि पूरा sentence. लेकिन ये किसी भी normal sentence में अगर आप एक interjection को add कर देते हैं तो वो sentence exclamatory बन जाता है. जैसे वो interjection words हैं bravo, ouch, जब आप कहीं पर चोट लगे ouch, ippy, alas. So how do we convert an assertive sentence into interjection, right? हम कैसे उसको बना सकता है, ठीक है? So मैं अगर नॉर्मल अगर बोलती हूँ you did very well in the exam, ठीक है? यानी आपने एग्ज़ाम में बहुत अच्छा किया है. दिस इज़ नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट, राइट? अगर मैं इसी स्टेटमेंट के आगे एक इंटरजेक्शन जोड़ देती हूँ, जैसे ब्रावो यानी शाबाशी, किसी को शाबाशी दे रहे हो, ब्रावो यू डिड वेरी वेल इन द एग्जाम, तो वो सेंटेंस ऑटोमेटिकली एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस बन जाता है, राइट? लेकिन आपको एक्सक्लेमेटरी इस सेंटेंस के बाद एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क नहीं देना, आपको इंटरजेक्शन के बाद देना है, राइट? तो अभी हमने दो सब्जेक्ट सीख लिए हैं, एक है इंटरजेक्शन एंड द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़, अभी हमने दो टॉपिक्स कवर किए हैं, एक है व्हाट आर एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस एंड व्हाट आर इंटरजेक्शन. सो उसके बाद मैं आपको कुछ आई विल गिव यू a worksheet to identify the various exclamatory sentence, ठीक है?